Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. Today I'm going to show you how to check how much YouTube earns from your hard work. So you can check here under see more, and I think YouTube kind of hidden this data on how much they make, so you need to dig around a little bit. So let's go down here. Right here you can see my estimated revenue, the total amount, and all the RPM, CPM, and the total views right here. And see this plus icon, click on that. Now go to YouTube ad revenue right here in the middle of the revenue column, click on that, and now let's see the results. YouTube ad revenue. So this is the total amount that Google or whatever YouTube ad makes, and this is your cut over here, your estimated revenue. So let's say I make about 55% of total revenue and Google or YouTube makes the other 45%. So that's how much they take from your revenue or the total revenue. And now you know, so you can check that out for yourself. Okay, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something. Please subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more YouTube tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks again, and happy YouTubing.